She knocked on the door in the full moonlight. She'd been walking all day and most of the night, and he opened the door. She was a beautiful sight. The sheriff let her in and she told him the tale of a town that needed help before the crops fail. Oh, what could they do? They said I had to find you. Sheriff Experiment, can you save our town? The horses won't run at all, they just stand around. The crops in our fields will die if they don't get loud. Sheriff Experiment, can you save our town? The first thing he did was study all night everything about horses that he could find. He learned animals act strange, what they eat can make a change. He made sure to record everything in detail. He explained he would test every plant in the field. What makes horses sick, finding out will do the trick. He bought in some horses from far away. He only fed them the finest hay. It was the control, just to be sure there wasn't something else they had to cure. The people of the town went out in the field, separated the plants that grew out there. Choice will eat just one, we'll see which one starts to run. All the variables had to be the same, only different plants could be a change and separate pins. The experiment can begin. Sheriff Experiment, can you save our town? The horses won't run at all, they just stand around. The crops in our fields will die if they don't get loud. Sheriff Experiment, can you save our town? In just a few days they let the horses out, and most of them started to run all about, except for just a few. And so the townspeople knew exactly what plants made the horses sick, so they removed all the plants, and that did the trick, and the town was saved.